Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I got this green smoky eye makeup. If you're interested in how I got this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going in with this white eyeshadow in this Princesa Azteca palette by GLF Cosmetics. I already had some of it on because this was kind of an afterthought, but basically I realized I wanted to make the colors pop a little bit more, so I wanted to put down a bit of a white base to help make this lime green shade right here pop just a little bit more. So I'm taking a blending brush and I'm going to start slowly adding it and building it onto my crease and my transition, and then I'm going to take a fluffy shader brush and I'm going to start kind of really packing it into my crease so I can get it as bold as possible, and it starts to really make a cool shade here too. Now I'm going to mix that in with the teal shade, and using that same brush I'm going to apply this in my crease. This is going to help start to deepen up the crease. If you can hear Cleo crying, she's just wanting attention. And this is how it starts to look. Then I'm taking a blending brush and I'm going to start to blend that shade out. And then mixing the lime green in with the dark green, I'm taking a blender brush and I'm starting to pack it on the outer half of my eye, or the outer portion of my eye, and slowly bringing it into my crease. Then I'm going to use a blending brush to help soften it out a little bit, and then I'm going to take just the green shade by itself and pack it on the outer portion of my lid, and then I'm going to bring it into the crease. This is all to slowly deepen it up to the black because I don't want it to look really harsh. So taking the black out of the first Princesa Azteca palette, I'm going to pack it in the same area that I did with the dark green, and then I'm going to just keep packing it till it starts to kind of look like this, and then I'm bringing in just the dark green shade into my crease. That's what you see. Now I'm going to pack the dark black on my eye, or just the black on my eye, dark black, and then I'm going to use a blender brush to help blend it out and add it in the crease to make it smoother. And then after I put glitter glue on my lids, I packed on this shimmer from GLF called Astral, I believe, and then I'm going in with my concealer. And then now we're going to smoke out the bottom lashes. I'm taking the lime green first, then the teal. Use those to help start the smoky effect, and then to deepen it up I'm using the dark green shade. After all that's done, I use the Flower Beauty Light Illusion foundation, and then I set my face with the Maybelline powder, and then I'm going in with this Urban Decay bronzer to help bronze up my face and bring back a little bit of shape to my face. And then after all of this, I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio in Peachy Love, using those two shades right there. And I'm going to add this on to give myself some flush to my cheeks. I was going to say blood to my cheeks, but that sounds weird. But a flush, a nice flush. And then I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild highlighter in Golden Flower Crown, because it's going to be a nice little subtle highlight. I didn't want it to be too blinding. Going in with this Ulta Beauty foil eyeshadow in Rose Gold Leaf. I'm absolutely obsessed with this, and it's a really great inner corner highlight, perfect for the dramatic look we were going for. And then you can put on some mascara, and right here, I hate when I do this, but if this ever happens, let it dry and then rub it off with a Q-tip. Next, I'm going to go in with this lip liner. I cannot remember the company. I'll put it down in the description box, but I believe it's the shade Bear, and I'm going to line my lips and kind of fill it in a little bit so we have a little bit of a color already. And then using the Rimmel Stay satin in As If, I'm putting that on my lips, and for fun I went over it with the Too Faced lip injection in the shade Milkshake. You totally don't have to do this, it's a lot of layers. But this is basically the look right here. I threw on some lashes and called it a day. I know these are a little dramatic, but hey, might as well try them out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!